Hey guys, it's Gracie and Kaylee. Kaylee Bessie. She's got a giant curl. So, and Gracie, Bessie. Okay. Anyways, today we are going to show you guys our homemade squishies. Yes. Those look nothing like squishies. They're blue. Well, squishies can be blue. But they're supposed to be squishy. That is her microphone. Yeah, I messed up. All you need is putty from the dollar store. That's all you need. And mine, I made a donut. Wait. This is an important announcement. If you get it from any other store, it will be slimy. Get it from the dollar store, whatever color. Dollar Tree. And you're just going to shape it. That's all you need. Dollar Tree, sorry. I got some, I put the hole like they have. And I put some sprinkles on it. And look, it is,
right, guys,
but you have to dry it. See, when you squish it, it's not, you have to let it dry. So when it's not dry, you have to shape it. But yeah, so there you have it. Oh, I lost mine. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. But I'm going to see this Gracie's microphone while I eat a donut. Hey! Hey! So, yeah. Alright. I was trying to scare her. Trying to tell them. She has a balloon case. Yeah, I made a balloon case because my case is all chewed up. No, it is not. Want to prove it to you? It's chewed up. Someone came in here and chewed up into my case. I'm going to show you how to make these. No. Who can blow up the balloon faster? Yeah, we're doing some balloon challenges. And at the end of the video, we will do some, I'll tell you guys some cool announcements and why we haven't been making much videos. Hey, you didn't start yet. No, I just blew it. Okay, wait, get all the air out and do this. Ready? Go. You need to tie it though. No, wait, I can't tie. Then we'll do some more balloon challenges. Are these the last balloons? No. Yeah, let's just save these balloons. So I pretty much no, don't tie it so we can play. So we can play with the same balloons. I pretty much because I don't got a lot of. No, listen. All right, I'll show you the Pee-wee Hermit balloon. This is not it. I'm just blowing it up. Like this. Music to my ears. Are you playing that game? Let's let it fly across the room. Alright, here we go. Okay, now see mine. It looks like I'm blowing like bubblegum. horrible. So while she's loading that up, I'm going to give you guys some announcements. So we haven't been making videos for a while. I don't want it to fall. You have it?
That was so
That went across the room.
It was like blue.
And it hit Owen's butt bag. Wait a minute. I'm giving them serious talk. Hold on. Stay right there. So we're going to get our turn to do announcements all by ourselves. Alright, first I'll do the first announcement. Guys, I know we haven't been making, get out of the TV. I know we haven't been making a lot of videos. No, I'm just gonna ignore her if she comes in. Because, well, Halloween's coming, school is coming, and the videos when it uploads, so, yeah. Oh, and also, coming for this one.
I'm going to tell a joke.
Well, before that, let's do the announcements. Okay, so, whoever comments down below in our videos, the comments, likes, and subscribes will get a shout out. Okay. Alright, ready for your joke?
Yeah.
Here, I'll act it out.
Okay, a boy threw a white stone into a red sea. And what did it become? Wet.
It became wet. I know, it's a corny joke. She got it from a book. We don't really understand it. It's supposed to be funny.
Wait, let me.
Let's see who can make the biggest balloon.
Wait.
I'm giving Kaylee a start before me.
But wait, let's not tie it.
I know. You get a 5-second start.
Hey, no, 2-second start.
About to come bigger. Still bigger. Now let it go around the room. Jeez, bad bread.
Oh! Okay, stop.
Push it out, push it out.
Stop. Wait, now ready. No, you hold it so they can know. All right, look, here it comes.
What the?
Really? It just, that was like... Let me turn that again.
Here, let me do it first. All right, get me. We're doing this with a phone. So it's kind of hard. Okay. Da-da-da. It's horrible.
Okay.
No. Watch. Whoopee cushion. Hold on. I made this all by myself. Put it down on the ground. Then, wait. Show it. It didn't work as a plan. Hold on. Only that much air. You only need that much air. Only that. Then you're gonna go 1, 2. Here. Not working.
I'm sorry that you don't see the TV. This baby flying across the room. Wait, let's get started.
Before you got here, a balloon flew across the room. Oh, and guys, you can also check us out on Musical.ly.
Okay, now. Okay, now. You don't even show it.
All right, anyways, guys, we need to say our goodbyes for today. Goodbye. song.
Goodbye.
Okay.
Yeah.
Whoa.
They're dry now.
They're dry.
I'm just kidding.
So anyways, peace.
Bye.
Peace out.
You finally heard her sing.
They've heard me sing on YouTube a lot of times.
Yeah. So she has a. Go check out her video of she singing. What were you singing?
Little do you know.
Little do you know, it's on our channel.
You're not even looking at it. Okay.
Hey, I'm still looking at you.
You're doing cross-eyed.
I know.
Anyways. Bye.